Hi, my name is Karthik and welcome to my Poddar KK Tricks and Technology. And this is C Sharp written interview question and answer. And today I will show you an alphabet of L with an asterisk. Okay, so first see in the demo. Actually, it's a look like actually our output would be like this. And so before we start, we have to know, how many, what the requirement of over this logic. Okay, so first I need, row and column. Okay, so how many rows over here? It is a 6 rows. Okay, and how many columns over here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 column and 6 rows over here. Okay, so start from zero index. Okay, so after that we have to understand how we can implement that things. Okay, so how many logic over there? It is a simple one logic over here. This is a one logic and second logic over here. Okay, it is a two logic. Okay, so we have implement two logic. So before start the implementation, first we have to understand, according to flow chart, how we can create of these things. Okay, so we have to take a row loop, and we want to create a column loop. Okay, so if row less than equal to 6, so that means it's true, it's condition true. So it will come under this column, inner loop, and it will start from the zero index. And after that, this loop again it will check. Yes, it will again, less than equal to 5. Yes, right. So it will true. So that time I will print a logic. Okay, so this is a logic. If this logic will match, okay, logic is matched, so that time it will print, star. If does not match, so that time it will print, space. Okay, so these are loop, going. After that, when you know when it will not, greater than of the 6, that time it will work. Okay, so let's see in the practical example. So first I will open in my Visual Studio, and I will create a console application, and I will click on this console application. Next, actually it is L demo, so I will suggest please put on name L demo. Okay, okay, now it's creating. So okay, now it's creating. Okay, now according to our flow chart, now I have to create, two variable like row and column. So I just put row and column variable. Okay, after that actually we have to implement, this decoration. Okay, so just, instead of time, I will just copy and paste. This is a decoration, nothing else. Actually I have, put on a description. Actually what is we are implementing. Actually this display the pattern like L pattern, L with an asterisk. Okay, so this is a decoration, nothing more. Okay, so now we will implement the logic. So first we need, row loop, and after that we will create a inner column loop. Okay, so first I will create a row. So that is row, and just remove from here, and it would be 6. Okay, because I already discussed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So start from 0 and it's end from 6. Okay, after that I will create a column loop. Okay, so column, okay, and it's would be 5. Why it's 5? 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, start from 0 and end with 5. Okay, just remove here. Okay, now we want to implement this logic. Okay, so if column, okay, column equal to 1. Okay, if it would be 1, so I will print CW and star. Okay, CW star. Else part we want to print if does not match, so that time I will print, byte space. Okay, and after when it will end of this inner loop, I want to when it will end of this loop, I want to send another line. So that time I want to you know after this and this loop, I want to set a new line, so that would be like this. Okay, console dot write line, that means it will send a new line. Okay, and after end of this outer loop also, I will set up the new line. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's build your solution. Okay, build succeed. Okay, and let's see in output how's my output. So first actually, okay, now it's fine. Now I have create first logic, also I have discussed this is the first logic and this is a second logic. So I have implement first logic, after that I will implement the second logic. And second logic, where our second logic and how we can create a second logic, actually let's need to understand what actually. Now my second logic would be start from row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and actually it would be start from 6. Okay, and no 0 and we want to space in the first line. Okay, so we want to put column 1. Okay, already we have putting actually. Okay, so we want to put via the column 1, and column 1 actually this is a column 1 actually 0 1, it is a column 1, it is a column 1. Okay, so start from column 1 and end with column 5. Okay, so my logic would be here, or okay, or uh, column, okay, row equal equal 0 1 2 6. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, row would be 6, and column column greater than 1. Okay, greater than 1, and column less than 5 6. Okay, 0 0 1 2 3 4 5, any 6, that means we want to set up 6. Okay, so this is a second logic, so I want to set up this logic also look like this, and I want to remove this one. Okay, so there is a two logic you can see over here. First logic for this line, and second logic would be this line. Okay, let's see in our output section. So anything is wrong, so we will investigate and we will correct that things. Okay, so now you can see over here it's working fine, and as per our expectation, you know L alphabet, so it's look like L alphabets. Okay, so it's fine, and you know we have implements very well. So this is a very straightforward logic. So you can also try, and you can create your own shape, look like, if you understand how we are creating. So it's very simple. Okay, so let's see in a debugging mode, because we want to see actually how it's working here. So just split this part, and let's see. Okay, now first row, actually this is second row, third row, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and actually 7 1 means index 6, but row is 7. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so now it's working fine. That's it for this session. Okay, and please, any issue, any query on this, alphabet or any logic, so please comment on my video section. I will help you, and keep watching, and please subscribe my channel.